You should learn Python right now. But why? Why do you need to learn Python right now? The biggest reasons right here. If you want to get a job in IT or information technology, or you want to advance in your current job, then you have got to know Python or at least learn it. Believe me, for cloud engineering, you need Python. For network engineering, Python. Data scientist, Python. Software development, Python. Also for ethical hacking, you guessed it right, you need Python. So why don't you learn Python? Don't worry, even if you don't know anything about Python or programming, you can learn it. It's the very simplest programming language. I want to teach you everything you need to know to become dangerous in Python. And we're starting from zero. You don't need anything special. You can start learning Python with a computer, a laptop, or even a smartphone in your hand. So save the playlist without delay because we will learn Python in coming days.